Now let us look at save point. A save point defines a point inside a transaction to which we can roll back instead of rolling back all the way up to the beginning of the transaction. Basically, this allows partial rollback. This does not make an end of transaction. The DMLs happened after the save point will be discarded. Let's take this example. DML1 happens first, DML2 happens next, DML3 happens after that. But I realized that it is incorrect and has modified the wrong data. Now, the only option I have is to roll back all the DMLs by issuing rollback. It will roll back all the DMLs even though I don't want to roll back DML1 and 2. Using save points, I can now avoid doing a full rollback. After DML2, I can create a save point and can name it to something like SP1. Now, if my DML3 turns out to be wrong, then I can just roll back to SP1, which is the save point. This cancels the change done by DML3. However, the changes done by DML1 and DML2 will still be there. Then I may run a new DML3 and then I can commit to finish the transaction. Thank you for watching this video.